I welcome you once again to one of my tutorials. In this session, I will be talking about how to install pip. That's right, command not found pip. As you most probably know, pip is the package installer for Python, and that's why the easiest way how to install pip is actually through Python itself. On Mac, Python arrives pre-installed. Let me just check it out. I have the Python 2.716 and I'm using the system macOS Big Sur, and this is the simplest way how you can install pip on macOS. Write sudo to ensure that you will have admin rights and the installer will have access everywhere it needs. Then Python, because we are going to use Python, ensure pip and upgrade. Enter, write your password. And now pip is successfully installed on my system. I will check it out. It works. And now I will check the version. So now I have the pip 18.1 for Python 2.7. And let's say that one day you will decide that you do not need to use pip anymore and you would like to remove it from your system. And the question is how you can do this. Well, actually pip itself makes it possible. And the following is the way how you can do this. Again, write sudo to ensure that you have admin rights, then pip uninstall, and now you have to specify what it is that you would like to uninstall, and that's pip again because we are going to remove it. Hit enter. Now pip is telling you that it is uninstalling pip 18.1 together with the following libraries. Would you like to proceed? Yes. Enter. And now pip is successfully uninstalled from my system, and when I will try out the pip command, it doesn't work anymore. And that's it. That's how you install and uninstall pip on Mac. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.